In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to play Monopoly Go on your PC, from downloading to installing the game, ensuring you can enjoy this classic game digitally. Let's dive right in, and I'll guide you through each step with ease. To kick things off, the first thing you'll need to do is download BlueStacks. BlueStacks is an Android emulator that allows you to run mobile applications on your PC effortlessly. Head over to the official BlueStacks website, which you can find at www.bluestacks.com. Once you're there, you'll notice a big Download BlueStacks button. Go ahead and click on that to download the installer. This step is crucial as it sets the foundation for running Monopoly Go on your computer. With BlueStacks downloaded, the next step involves installing it. Locate the installer file you just downloaded. Usually it will be in your downloads folder or wherever your browser saves files by default. Open that file and then follow the on-screen instructions to install BlueStacks on your PC. Don't worry, the installation process is straightforward and typically doesn't require any complicated setup. Just follow along with the prompts and you'll be all set in no time. Once the installation completes, it's time to set up BlueStacks. Launch BlueStacks by double-clicking its icon and you'll be greeted with the initial setup screen. Here you need to sign in with your Google account. This step is essential because it grants you access to the Google Play Store within BlueStacks, just like on any Android device. If you don't have a Google account, you can create one quickly and then log in. Now, with BlueStacks all set up and Google account access granted, you're ready to move on to installing Monopoly Go. Open the Google Play Store through BlueStacks, and once inside, utilize the search function to find Monopoly Go. When you've located it, click on the install button to download and install the game onto the emulator. This should only take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. Once the installation is complete, Monopoly Go will be available on the BlueStacks home screen. Congratulations, you can now launch Monopoly Go directly from BlueStacks and start playing. Whether you're looking to challenge friends or indulge in a solo game, this setup makes it all possible from the comfort of your PC. Remember, BlueStacks offers a mobile experience with PC advantages such as easier controls and a larger screen, so savor your gaming experience. Feel free to explore more apps using BlueStacks in the future. Thank you for watching and happy gaming. If you found this guide helpful, consider subscribing for more tech tutorials. Enjoy your time playing Monopoly Go on your PC.